All right, so we're gonna study the states of matter, okay? And we've got this chart here. Each one of you's gonna have a chart, and we wanna see what do we know about the states of matter? What three states are there?
Alabama.
It is a state.
Texas.
The states of matter are solids, liquids, and gas.
North Pole.
Huh?
The South Pole.
The South Pole, that's not really a state. Okay, so we're gonna, so what did we say? Solids? So what does a solid look like?
Ice cream.
Would this
Ice
be a
cream.
solid?
Yeah.
Can you touch it?
Yeah.
Okay, so when the ice cream is frozen, what is it, solid, liquid, or gas? Solid, you're right. Okay, now what happens when we melt it? What does it turn into?
Melt.
Liquid, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So we're gonna learn about the solids, the liquids, and the gas. So what we want to do is, we have this worksheet, and we're gonna make a root beer float, okay? So we're gonna draw what the molecules are doing in each state. All right, so each one of you is gonna get a cup, and I want you to write down as we go, okay? What are we gonna start with? Is this a solid or a liquid? It's a solid. Okay. All right, so I want you to take your solid, and I want you to pour your solid into the cup. Do you need help? Oh, you got it. You ready? There you go, see? Okay, so ice cream is a solid. Now here's our liquid. So first draw your ice cream.
Which one?
The solid,
Write the letter.
you can draw it. That looks good. That's a good ice cream. And you even added the cup.
I don't know how you draw.
Good job. Oh,
There's a
that's
cup.
awesome.
It's an ice cream cup.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, so then what happens? What are we pouring in this?
Diet Coke.
A root beer.
Root
So
beer.
Is it a liquid or a solid or a gas? What's it doing though? What are those on top?
It's melting the ice cream.
Right, and it's creating a gas. See the foam?
Yeah.
Look at that. So now we have all the states of matter. We have the solid that's what is it? The ice cream, and then the liquid was the, right. And what about those bubbles? What are they? The gas. All right, so draw your liquid, draw your Coke. Yeah, you can draw the Coke. It looks great. Oh, it looks beautiful. And then you've got your gas.
Yeah.
So can you draw the foam? Can you draw the foam?
The foam?
The foam.
Which foam?
The foam on the cup. Your gas.
Oh, how do you spell gas?
G. Look, this one's even the foam.
Oh.
I thought you might could do that. That was good. Okay, so let's answer the questions. Which states of matter is each part of a root beer float? So the cup, what is the cup? Is it a solid, a liquid, or a gas? All right, so write solid, S, O. Go ahead and write solid right here. L, I, D, solid. Okay, so what is the root beer? Was it a solid, a liquid, or a gas? Good job. Can you write liquid? L, I, Q, U, I, D. Okay, now what was the ice cream?
Gas?
Is the ice cream gas?
Well,
Okay, was it a solid or a liquid?
a tide.
Right, solid. You write solid?
I'll show you.
Remember
Solid
solid?
over here.
Solid, it's right there. Okay, now, what was the foam?
Gas?
Good job, right off the top. That was good, yeah. I'm proud of you.
What letter was in for?
G,
G.
A, S. Okay, when we put the ice cream in the root beer, it melted. And when something melts, it changes the states of matter. So what did it change it from? A. What was the ice cream when we put it in?
A tide.
Right, so write down solid.
This letter here?
You got it. Good job.
What letter?
Okay, and the solid went to a,
Yippee.
good job, yes, liquid. You put
Oh.
liquid?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're doing great. Okay, and then if we put the leftovers of the floats in the freezer, it'll freeze, and when something freezes, it changes states of matter again from a liquid, because it's gonna be liquefied now. Because it's melted with the ice cream and the Coke together.
What should I write?
Liquid.
I already write liquid.
Okay, you're gonna write liquid again, right? Because it's gonna change from a liquid back to a. What's it gonna go when it goes from a liquid to a when you put it in the freezer? You're close. It's a. Because you got it. Because you're gonna be able to touch it.
Are we gonna put it in the freezer?
You want to put it in the freezer or in your
Yeah.
belly? Which one would you rather? A solid.
Okay.
Yep.
Solid.
You got it.
So G S.
That's right here.
Done.
All right. So what did we? Okay. What do we know? What are the states of matter? What three states are there in matter?
Time.
Solid.
Solid.
What's the other one?
Liquid.
Gas.
Gas.
And what's
Gas.
the good?
Liquid.
All right. And what did we learn?
States of matter.
Right. That it. Now, if something goes into a liquid, can it go back to a solid?
Yeah.
Good job. All right. I think we're all finished. If you know, got any questions?
No.
All
Do we
right.
go to